How to fix Stremio movies not playing error. So the very first thing that you need to do is to execute the very basic troubleshooting. Now, if you're using Stremio from your mobile device, then all you have to do is make sure that you're currently running with the latest version of Stremio. Same goes with the desktop. You have to sure that the version that you're currently running in from Stremio is updated to the latest version. Now, the second troubleshooting steps is to check if there are crashes or issues with the add-ons that you have. So if it's going to be from official add-ons, the community add-ons, or your current add-ons. So make sure that there are no problems with your add-ons that you downloaded via these application right here. The other thing that you need to do is check if you have a stable internet connection that you're using. For you to be able to check that, check on the current signal. If it's going to be on max, then run some speed test. Now, your last resort is to uninstall Stremio from your desktop or from your mobile phone and try reinstalling it again. So yes, that's it. Those are the troubleshooting steps on how you can fix Stremio movies not loading error.